Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. Good morning, Miss. How are you, students? I'm good, Miss. How about you, Miss? Thank you. I'm so great, students. Okay, before we start our lesson, let's we pray first. Praise begin. They finish. Anyone absent today, students? Okay. Do you still remember what we learned yesterday or last week? Do you ever congratulate someone or do you ever congratulate by someone? Pernahkah kamu mengucapkan selamat kepada orang lain atau orang lain pernah mengucapkan selamat kepada kamu? Pernah, Miss. Nah, jika pernah, mengucapkan atau diucapkan sama temanmu, can you please give me example? Okay, Miss. I will give you example, Miss. The example is when my friend's birthday, I will give congratulate to my friends. And I say happy birthday. And my friends say thank you. Okay, that's so good. Clap your hand. Give applause for her or for Oka. Okay. From the example, can you guess today we learn about, or can you guess what we learned today? Yes, Miss. Today we learn about congratulating others and response. Good, thank you, Ika. Give applause for Ika. Okay. Now I will show you the video. Please pay attention from this video, okay? And later I will give you assignment.
How is your business, Ria?
It's good. I've sold 100 items these 2 days.
Congratulations. That's a popular business right now.
Thanks a lot.
Hi, Dora. What's news?
Oh, I'm going to take the driving test tomorrow.
That's great. Good luck.
Okay. After watch the video, what did you say for someone graduate or married? Okay. Wait, yeah, I will share my PPT first. Okay, so now we learn about congratulation others and response. Okay, so the definition of congratulating others and respond. So the first is congratulating others. Sorry. Anyone know here? Or ada yang tahu apa itu congratulating dan apa itu respond? No, Miss. Nggak tahu, Miss. I don't know, Miss. Oke. Karena kalian tidak tahu, jadi Miss akan menjelaskan. Here, Miss will explanation about the congratulating others and the response. Congratulating others is congratulating someone for all the achievement of success and achievement that she or he has achieved because of his effort and struggle. Jadi, congratulating itu pengucapan atau ucapan kepada atau buat untuk seseorang yang lagi graduation, seperti yang wisuda atau yang menikah, dan yang lagi berulang tahun. Now, the response. The response is a psychology metabolic reaction to the arrival of a stimulus automatic one such as reflection and direct emotional reaction. Some are controlled. Jadi, respon itu reaksi atau tanggapan dari ucapan tadi. Now you already know the definition, or do you already understand, students? Yes, Miss. Okay, because you already know it or you already understand, so I will continue the purpose, okay? Identify the expression in congratulating, as well as the structure of the text independently and responsible. And the second, identify the expression of congratulating in a text and determine the text structure of this expression. And the third, complete the dialogue short with the right vocabulary independently. And the fourth, identify the expression of congratulating in a text and determine the structure of the expression. Complete the short dialogue with she or he write vocabulary independently. And the fifth is make a greeting card to someone independently. And the sixth, respond to expression of congratulating independently and confidently. Wait, yeah. Okay. Here I will give here is the example from expression and response. So the expression, the first expression is how we congratulating someone, or congratulations on you for winning. For example, Oka win like football. Jadi dia memenangkan sebuah pertandingan. Dan kita mengucapkan congratulations on your winning. And the response is thank you. And the second, may I congratulate you on blah blah blah. And the response is it's very good for you to say so. And the third is I am happy for you. You did it. And they respond, how nice of you to say that. Now, the fourth, please accept my warmest congratulations. And the response is, thank you very much. So that's the response from the expression. Now, I will give the using expression in a dialogue. I will give conversation. Nah, jadi di sini siapa yang mau menjadi Oka dan siapa yang mau menjadi Ririn? Please, can you raise your hand? Me, Miss. I will be Oka, Miss. Me, Miss. I will be Ririn. Okay, good. Can you read? Oka. I heard you got 100 for English test. Yes, that's true. How do you know? Well done. I know it from Adele. Thank you. Give applause for Oka and Ririn. Thank you, Oka and Ririn. Okay. Now the second example with Miss, okay? Because here, teacher and Ika. So teacher is who? Is Miss. Or if the conversation has teacher, tetapi guru kamu adalah cewek atau cowok, jadi kalau misalnya cowok kamu harus memanggilnya Mister. Nah, kalau cewek kamu harus memanggilnya Miss. Yeah. Okay. Ika, how is your stand so far? It's great. I have sold 10 items, Miss. Congratulations. Your stand is the most popular one. Thank you, Miss. Well, I guess they are firstly attracted by the decoration than the items. You are right. Good job. Thank you, Miss. Okay, give applause for Ika. Okay, wait ya. Okay. From the explanation, did you already understand, students? Atau masih ada yang belum mengerti? Sudah mengerti, Miss. I already understand, Miss. Okay. Because you already know or understand it, I will give you assignment. Oke. Jadi tugasnya biar lebih jelas dan semuanya paham. Di sini saya akan menggunakan bahasa Indonesia saja ya. Oke, Miss. Nah, jadi tugasnya hari ini kalian tulis dan sebentar mempresentasikan di depan kelas. Kalian terserah mau tulis tentang apa saja, misalnya tentang yang tadi expression dan respon, bagaimana kita mengucapkan selamat kepada teman atau kepada saudara kalian atau kepada keluarganya. Oke. Jadi saya akan memberikan kalian 10 menit. Nah, sebelum memulai mengerjakan, apakah dari kalian ada yang paham atau masih ada yang kurang paham? Sudah paham, Miss. Oke, thank you. Karena kalian sudah paham semua, jadi saya akan memberikan kalian tugas. Dan sebelum jadi, saya akan memberikan kalian 10 menit. Silakan dikerjakan dan mulai sekarang. Oke. Karena waktunya sudah pas 10 menit, jadi silakan mempresentasikan tugasnya di depan kelas. Oke. Free memory. Oke. Karena kalian dari tugas yang ini, kalian semuanya sudah paham. Dan tugasnya itu semuanya pada bisa. Jadi kalian di sini semuanya sangat pintar. Ayo give applause. Okay. What did we learn today? We learned about congratulating others and respond, Miss. Ya. Jadi kita hari ini belajar tentang bagaimana kita mengucapkan salam atau selamat kepada orang lain dan bagaimana kita merespon. If someone congratulate to you, what did you respond? I will respond if my friends say happy birthday. I will say thank you, Miss. Good girl. Good job. Thank you. Thank you, Adel. Okay. Jadi, next week we will learn about complimenting. Saya rasa pelajaran kita hari ini cukup sampai di sini saja ya. Dan semoga ilmu yang kita pelajari hari ini semoga bermanfaat ya. Oke, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.